Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a video background in Elementor. First, open your Elementor editor and add a new section or container. For the best visual effect, select a full-width layout. Then, navigate to the Layout tab and set the minimum height for your section to at least 400 pixels. This ensures your video background will be prominently displayed and look great on your website. Now, let's add your video. With your section selected, go to the Style tab in the Elementor panel. Look for the Background section and click on the video icon. Here, you can paste the direct link to your video. This can be a YouTube or Vimeo link or a URL to a self-hosted MP4 file from your WordPress media library. It's a straightforward process to get your video playing. Once your video is in place, you can customize its playback. You have options to set a precise start and end time, allowing you to showcase only a specific segment of your video. Crucially, always add a fallback image. This image will appear if the video cannot load or on devices that don't support autoplay. Additionally, use a background overlay to enhance text readability and add a unique visual touch. Finally, optimize your video background for all devices. Make sure your video is in a web-friendly format, such as MP4, and is well compressed to ensure quick loading times. Always test how your video background appears on different screen sizes, particularly on mobile devices. For optimal performance and user experience, Elementor allows you to disable the video background on mobile and display a static fallback image instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.